Welcome you back, my dear students, to lecture 2 about digital communication. This is one of the interesting, topic about digital communication because this is what it is trending everywhere. Everybody is using digital communication. Now, some of the learning objectives, understanding the effect of this digital communication at the workplace. Consider the impact of social media, what it has done. Look at even the wars around the world. Social media, how it has, given the information. Look at what is happening at the workplace. Things are becoming too easy. Recognize mobile apps as part of communication on our jobs. Then we also try to look at the quick response codes, which are used to ease the accessibility in our jobs. The use of groupware to collaborate different digital platforms, and then many more. So when we talk about on-job communication in a digital environment, in digital workplace, the 21st century, the workplace is increasingly becoming digital, global networked, mobile, multi-platforms. You find the office without a laptop, at least you'll find a smartphone with a manager, with any worker. And then when you want to easily communicate, you can just put a message on WhatsApp that we have a meeting at 2. Without wasting a lot of time, people will sit and then people will be in position to turn up. So workplace professionals now can communicate quickly, effectively by use of just a simple smartphone. So technical writers now communicate via emails, text messages, instant messages, websites, and social media. So that is what is trending. The benefits includes a lot, mobility. Smartphones and tablets, they have created mobility. Look at our parliament. The parliament use smartphones, use tabs to ease their work. Okay, encourages multitasking. You are working on something, you are sending a message, you are attending the meeting, and then it becomes very easy for you to manage accordingly. Okay, so which is very important when you are managing the workplace. Okay, so when we talk about then we have digital communication allows immediate feedback. If you are fired, you're fired. If they're interested in you, they have promoted you, they have called you, they want you at work, it becomes very easy. So that is what we call digital environment, digital world. Apps can help you find even new jobs by just checking. So when we talk about social media, it is trending at our workplace. Okay, almost 80% people are using these blogs, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube for communication, which is making things very easy. Then Facebook has over 1 billion users, and 1 billion users being on Facebook. Things have changed. LinkedIn, over 300 million users. Twitter, which is now X, over 200 million users monthly. YouTube, 1 billion, monthly viewers. Now look at TikTok. Things, communication, that is all about. So communication advances through mobile apps at the workplace. So workplace communicators need to be aware of this so that we know how do we also legislate, how to use the links and then the effects of them. So it is very important also to know about that. Writing apps, which are creating a lot of ease in what we do. So some are limited to the no talking, simple text. As you can see with tutor, you may not write a lot of paragraphs. So all these are very important to know. So communication advances through also quick response codes. These we have seen them. We see them on different in supermarkets. People, they don't even get to know about the prices. They just use these QR codes, and then they will know this is a two-dimension image that can be scanned by the phone, and then it will tell you whether the document that you have it is authentic. Look at the transcript that you get. It has a certain barcode reader. Automatically that QR code, they just read it and then they will know where the document you have got it from. Okay, so this is also used to ease the work by websites, easing the surveys, increasing the e-commerce through email listing. This is what we here talk about, which is very important. So this is what we talk about, okay, about communication. So advances through that with many people viewing manuals and many others using groupware to collaborate in digital workplace. Companies solve problems of geographic locations. People are far away. We can communicate via teleconferencing, digital conferencing tools like webinar, Zoom. These are all creating platforms. Okay, we have digital management tools where you can have a project management software, calendars to manage your activities. All this is what we are literally talking about here, which is easing the way we operate. Digital communication tools for writing, sending messages, as we have already shared them in our first class that we had. Social media for communicating, these are all bringing in the concept of digital communication. Collaborative writing, video communication tools are also very many. One of it we have, it is Wix. Wix is a website that allows writers to create and edit text collaboratively. You are from London, I'm from Uganda, you're from Kenya. We can just create our accounts and then we collaborate on a given research, and then the project is done easily. So it has many benefits that it involve a lot of team members. It minimizes the need to face-to-face meetings where you can waste billions of money, limited excessive and lengthy email messages. These are the way to go when you are technically working. Then we have Google Docs. Google Docs also allows people to do things correctively. If you are so much familiar and you have a Google account, you will find that these things are so much beneficial, and then you find that people are using them. Okay, so this is one of the things which makes life easy. So there's a lot of benefits, as you can see them, which can benefit. It's a free and easy way to create. You can easily create your Google sites, and then you organize your meetings, you organize your activities, and then the teams come together and then you collaborate. Three popular ways to collaborate in today's workplaces: it is through Microsoft Shared Point, Drop box, Skype, all those they are so much used in our today life. These are, you take time, go back and then do more research on them. I thank you very much for your time. We meet in another